3. In this video, I'll show you how to import a wallet into Metamask with a seed phrase. First, open the Metamask extension or mobile app. If you're setting up Metamask for the first time, choose the option to import an existing wallet instead of creating a new one. Next, select Import an existing wallet or import using secret recovery phrase depending on your Metamask version. Before continuing, make sure you're entering the recovery phrase only into the official Metamask app or extension. Never share your phrase with anyone. After that, enter your secret recovery phrase in the exact order it was originally provided. Double-check every word before continuing. Then create a new password to protect Metamask on your device. Now review the information you've entered and select Import or the available confirmation button. Metamask will restore the wallet associated with that recovery phrase. Next, check your account and make sure the correct wallet address appears. If your tokens aren't visible, switch to the network where those assets are stored and add any missing tokens if necessary. Finally, remember that your secret recovery phrase controls access to your wallet. Store it securely offline and never enter it into websites, forums, or messages claiming they can recover your funds. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import a wallet into Metamask with a seed phrase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.